Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a door seal on a Sub-Zero Model 700 TC. They're all pretty much the same, and they're basically, if you look at these, you see these little ribs on here, and they press into these channels, and that's it. There's no screws, there's no tools. Just take it, you take the drawer out, set it down somewhere, you put your door seal on, and then you just start to push down all the way around until it's totally seated. Okay, there you go. It's all seated. We'll give it a little wipe down with some citrus cleaner. Now I took this whole machine apart and washed it outside, disinfected it. Now, this is not a new door seal, it's the old one, which I cleaned in a hot bath, disinfected. That's basically all you need to do. Just make sure it's pushed all the way down. So now to put, this is the upper drawer. So I'll pull out the little slides, pick up the drawer, set it on top, like so. Hold the top of the drawer up, and then you need to pull these slides out until you see that little hole there. Watch, see that? A pin. Okay, that's it. And do the bottom one same way. The bottom one's a little smaller, this seal. Okay, we'll give it a little wipe. Now this is the freezer drawer on the bottom. It's got this little bracket here because the ice maker bucket sits in this space right here. Alright, so let's do the same thing. Good. Done.